we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing city names too, so make sure to stay tuned for this. So this is both the name of a city in England and also the name of a city in the United States in North Carolina. So in British English, this is generally said as Durham, Durham. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as Durham, Durham in American English, or Durham in British English. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names of places, famous places in the US and places in the UK whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.